Hello my beautiful viewers, I welcome in Garden Abdullah. So guys, today we are going to grow this sweet red wine cutting. As you can see, it's just a cutting of about 1 inch, and I'm going to tell you guys how we can grow it. The pot size which I'm choosing is about 14 inch. This is a pot of 14 inch. You may take any kind of pot. I have already grown a money plant in this pot also. It's a green money plant and it's doing quite good in this pot. I was thinking to grow this sweet red wine right next to it. To grow this, we first need to have some node areas. What are node areas? Actually, node areas are called small roots. The small roots which are attached to a plant are called node areas. Money plant also have some node areas. Also, these all the cuttings you may take in international level and in Pakistan, barely all cuttings have these node areas. Without these node areas, we cannot grow a cutting. So as you can see, sweet red wine has some node areas, and I'm going to dig a hole. To dig a hole in the soil, I am choosing a spoon because many of my viewers don't have a shovel, so I'm going to use this spoon. Just put the spoon in the soil quite deeply like this. Take a spoon, and right next to it I'm going to grow. Take a spoon and then simply, not need to do any kind of hard work in this. My soil is quite wet as you can see. Just like this. So coming back to this sweet red wine, how much soil it needs means how much soil we need to put this sweet red wine. So I'm just going to not put it quite deep like this. Just take it and then put it like this easily, not a big problem, like this. And now put some soil on it. As you can see, it's also a cutting. It doesn't actually succeed, so I will throw it. So now put the soil back in. The soil I am choosing is simple garden soil. You may, if you want to make a ratio, you will make a ratio about 50% of coco peat, or 50% of simple garden soil, and 20% of, you may choose cow dung, compost, or may you use any kind of other vermicompost. Now this cutting, as you can see, will grow in the future and show beauty. You can also grow these in a small pot. Just press it, simply press it. No need to do a lot of hard work. I will not give it water because it is actually, my pot is quite full with water. As you can see, it rained last night, and I think I will not give this plant water. As you can see, this is actually water. So I will give this plant water next day. So I will keep reporting you guys. So till then guys, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please tell me.